Okay, let's just say you come here after 2005 and you're dealing with people who have aquaphobia. So Dr. Tone, who's my colleague who worked here, decided to try to desensitize them with water, but not in the ocean, but places like this. We're at a waterfall in Colorado. You can actually kind of tell we're in the middle of a jungle. So, let's just say we're going to walk the path. You can tell there are other people in front of me. That's Dr. Tone and some friends. Nice flora, fauna. And let's see what form of anticipation we can come up with. Let's walk carefully. And voila. Better impact how it looks like. And there are people swimming. Woohoo! Aquaphobia. So this was the therapy for aquaphobia. But actually, if you're a tourist, it looks pretty damn cool.